Do you brush your teeth? Make your bed? Cook dinner? Let's say it all in English today. Wake up. I wake up at 7. I make the bed. I make my bed after I wake up. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning. Wash my face. I wash my face with water. Make breakfast. I make breakfast for my family. Clean the house. I clean the house every day. Do the laundry. I do the laundry every week. Wear makeup. I wear makeup every day. Water the plants. I water the plants in the afternoon. Vacuum. I vacuum the living room. Take a nap. I take a nap after lunch. Do the dishes. I do the dishes every night. Set the table. He sets the table before lunch. Watch TV. I watch TV before bed. Do homework. I do my homework at night. Fold the clothes. I fold the clothes after they are dry. Wear clothes. I wear clothes before going out. Eat dinner. He eats dinner before bed. Go to bed. I go to bed around 11. Fall asleep. She falls asleep at night. What do you do in the morning? Comment for us.